In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Netflix subscription. Whether you're aiming to binge watch your favorite series, catch up on the latest films, or explore Netflix's vast library of entertainment, getting started with a subscription is straightforward and simple. Before we dive into the process, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and a device on which you plan to watch Netflix, whether that's a computer, smartphone, or smart TV. Let's start by heading to the Netflix website, or if you prefer, downloading the Netflix app from your device's app store. Whichever option you choose, look for the sign up or create account button, which is your first step into the world of streaming. This is typically found right on the homepage, easily accessible so you can begin the process without any hassle. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Don't worry, it's just your email address and the creation of a secure password. Make sure your password is something memorable yet strong enough to keep your account secure. When you've set that up, you'll be directed to select a subscription plan. Netflix generally offers several tiers to cater to different needs and budgets. You might see options such as mobile, basic, standard, and premium. The mobile plan typically allows streaming on one screen at a time in standard definition, perfect for those who mainly watch Netflix on their phones or tablets. The basic plan also allows streaming on one screen at a time, but at slightly higher quality. If you prefer to share your account with a friend or family member, the standard plan is a great choice, as it supports 2 concurrent streams in HD quality. Lastly, the premium plan, which is the most comprehensive option, allows streaming on up to 4 screens simultaneously in Ultra HD. Be sure to consider how many people in your household will be using the account, and if you prefer watching your content on larger screens or in higher resolution. Once you've chosen the plan that suits your needs best, you simply confirm your selection and proceed to start your subscription. It's worth mentioning that Netflix frequently offers a free trial for new users, so monthly billing typically begins following the conclusion of that trial period if available. Congratulations, you're all set. You successfully signed up and can now immerse yourself in the sea of content Netflix has to offer. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough to get your Netflix subscription up and running. Enjoy exploring new worlds, following thrilling stories, and unwinding with some of the finest entertainment there is.